This is a very vulnerable population, average age, in their late 80s. They're very susceptible to respiratory viruses. It's been 6 months since their first booster, which means the immunity is going to be waning.
The clock is ticking for those most at risk of COVID-19 to get another booster shot of the vaccine, a fourth dose. In BC, those caring for the very vulnerable, elderly folks living in care homes, are anxiously awaiting news about the plan to roll out these shots.
Well, I've been freaking out a little bit even as we speak because I haven't seen a shelf-ready plan. I'm confident, though, that health authorities after last fall are thinking about this, and I hope that they'll be ready just as soon as Dr. Henry authorizes it.
The U.S. has just approved the fourth doses of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines for everyone 50 and older, and also a fifth shot for those with specific immune-compromising conditions. Quebec's already rolling out fourth doses to those 80 and older in that province. Other provinces still working on it, including BC.
A key priority for us continues to be ensuring that those most vulnerable to COVID-19, who have been given priority at every stage in our BC vaccination program, continue to see their health protected to the maximum possible extent.
Approval for vaccines in Canada comes from NACI, the National Advisory Committee for Immunizations, and so far they have not okayed the fourth dose.
I suspect that the BC may be waiting for NACI approval federally, but they haven't always done that. They've weighed the evidence and made decisions independently of the federal process.
BC has moved ahead of federal recommendations in the past, like increasing the duration between first and second doses of COVID-19 vaccine ahead of NACI saying it was okay to do so.
We're generally the first one to move on these things, or amongst the first, and I expect you'll see soon this is an issue under active review.
And he says expect more details soon. The next big pandemic step expected in BC is ditching the vaccination pass program. That's slated for April 8th. BC's one of the last provinces to let that protection go. In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.